G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at interlocking letters. So where do we start? Well, first what we need to do is we need to come over here to text, and we need to add a heading. So I'm going to type in two letters in capital, S and S. Alright, then what I'm going to do is change them to a font, and I'm going to use Anton. Alright, and what we'll do is we'll increase those in size like so, and we'll position them in the center and middle. Then what we'll do is we'll go over to elements, we'll grab a shape, be it a square, we'll increase out the size as such, and we'll put that layer to back. Then we'll change the letters to white, and we'll change this color to yellow like so. Alright, then what we'll do is we'll download those. Download. I downloaded both. Just make sure that if you've got multiple pages, choose the current page, because it'll download a zip file. So I'll just do that again. Download page 2, and make sure it is a PNG, and download. Alright, so what we can do, go to a new page and drag that in to the design. Alright, now that we've got that in, we'll increase it in size and drag these in like so. We'll remove the background and just enlarge that out. Now what we need to do is go to Elements and utilize photos. So I've downloaded a number of photos already, so I'll just use the same photos that I did before. So all we do is we grab these photos. I'm going to put them in different order. Alright, we move that to back or backwards, and we just start to position all the photos around the letter. Like so. Send backwards. Alright, and send backwards. Send backwards. Alright. Layout, send it back. Like so. Okay, and just keep working your way down until you've populated all the photos. Layer, send backwards. Okay, next one. Alright, this is a really cool design, and I appreciate everyone that commented on the photo, the design. It was really appreciated, so thank you. Send backwards. Okay, and one last one. We'll just fit this one in there at the bottom of the S. Like so. Layer, send backwards, layer, send backwards. We'll just, oh, not that one. Go to layers, show layers, position. Alright, and what we'll do is go to this one, and we'll go edit, go background remover. Alright, and we'll just go raise and go through there. Let's see if that works. Okay, cool. Oh, actually that removed the background, so that's alright. We'll utilize that. Alright, and then what we do for the next one is the same thing. Just populate layer, send backwards, like so. Maybe just increase that up like that. Probably fits better. Alright, and bring this one like so. Alright, down there, layer, send backwards. Layer, show layers. This is a bit of a fiddly one. Where are we? That one. So this is the fiddly part of the design. But once you've done this, it's pretty straightforward. Alright, next one, elements. See all. Okay, so we want this one. Actually, I have to fix that up. We want this one. Okay, so drag that in, drag that up. Alright, and we'll put that there. Layer, send backwards. Alright, and what we might do is just fit one more in there. Yep, we'll fit this one. Alright, so decrease that. Decrease that. Alright, and send backwards. Okay, so we'll fit that in there. Like so. Okay, and then we'll fix this one up. So go to layers, show layers. Don't know why that's not working. Position. Alright, so we want not that one. We want this one. No, we want this one. Okay, so we'll just bring that down like so. So we'll just check it to make sure. And that looks pretty cool. Alright, so what we'll do now is we will change this background to yellow to match the, and just make sure that we bring that in like so. Yep, okay, just checking it. Alright, that's pretty cool. Then what we'll do is we'll download that. Download. Make sure that we have the current page. And make sure that we've got that on PNG. Alright, and we'll download that. We'll create a new page. We'll change this to a different color, like so for now. Then we'll upload that in to our design, and once that's loaded in, you'll tell by the tick over here. We'll just come here and go background remover. Alright, that will remove the background, and we just check to make sure that all the yellow is gone. Alright, then what we can do is enlarge this to the corners. Alright, if you want it any larger than that, you can always do as such. Alright, so what we need to do now is we need to duplicate that, put it over the top, and then to separate them we simply just go like this and separate them like so. Then we just tidy them up a bit like so. Okay, bring that in, bring that up like so. Alright, and now what we want to do is put that up there. And we want to send that one to back. Okay, then we want to duplicate that and put it directly over the top. And I want to come over to, what do we want to come over to? We want to come over to edit. We want to go to shadows. We want to put an outline, and we'll drop it down to 10, and we'll make the outline white like so, and we'll do the same for this one. What we'll do first, we'll delete that. We'll come to this. We will go to edit. We will go to shadow outline. We'll change the shadow to white. We'll come to 10. Then what we'll do is duplicate that and place it over the top, and we'll just increase that in size for now. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that that is over the top. So we'll come back here, go like that. Okay, and alright, now we just want to make sure that didn't quite do it the same as last time. And that's as close as I think I'm going to get that one, because I didn't do it the same as last time. There we go. So I want to make sure now that that is behind. So then that needs to come there. So I'm going to have to duplicate that one, like so, and adjust that down, like so. Yeah, that kind of works there. Looks a bit funny, but that is the S there, and that is the S there. Looks kind of funny. All right. Didn't quite do it the same as last time. And that's as close as I think I'm going to get that one, because I didn't do it the same as last time. There we go. So I want to make sure now that that is behind. So then that needs to come there. So I'm going to have to duplicate that one, like so, and adjust that down, like so. Yeah, that kind of works there. Looks a bit funny, but that is the S there, and that is the S there. Looks kind of funny. All right. So there you go. There you go. There you go. All right. So with that being said, that does look funny, doesn't it? But that joins around there. With that being said, what we can do is move that into the center, and we're going to replace the background. So if we come over here to elements again, like I did, and go to recently used, and I use this video here. Oh, delete that. I use this video, red hearts animation, and replace background. So that gives that effect, and actually it didn't replace background. I enlarged it out as such. And sorry, that was a mosquito, and just drop the transparency down, and then I just went to layers, show layers, and placed it behind there. Alright. Okay. And then I added some music. No, not quite added some music. Alright, so you can see I used a different font for that one. But that's alright. Can always try different fonts, different ways of doing things. So anyway, you know the general drift of how to do the tutorial. And then I use shadows. So come over to recently used again, and I use the realistic shadow effect for design, and also the rectangle drop shadow. Alright, so because this one is different, I will place this one here, like so. Okay, and I will send that backwards and backwards. Alright, so you get a bit of a shadow effect down through here. Alright, and then with this one was for the curves. So turn that one around, bring it up here, then you just decrease that in size, like so, and send that backwards, backwards, and backwards again. Alright, and then you can duplicate that, and that's not what I want. Duplicate that, and then drag this down here, and turn this around, like so, and again, send backwards, and you've got a bit of a shadow there, and just drop the size down, like so. So you've got a shadow there, and again with this one, you can duplicate that, and then drop that in there, like so. Okay, drop that down in size, and go layer, backwards, layer, backwards, backwards. Alright, and you've got a bit of a shadow there. Like so. Alright, so we've got a shadow there, we've got a shadow there, and a shadow there. Alright, so that is the tutorial for interlocking letters. I did use a different font, but it still works. You've got two S's interlocking. I think it's a bit more cozier because it's so close together, and that is the end result. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learned something. I appreciate you watching. If you wouldn't mind jumping over to my YouTube channel and subscribing, hit the notification button, the like button.